Hi everyone, today we are going to discuss about sum of digits in Python. So let's say there are digits like sum of numbers containing 3-digit number or 4-digit number or 5-digit number. How we are going to add each and every element, like each and every digit from the input whichever we are going to give in the programming language. Okay, let's say there is an input of 3-digit input. Okay, 3-digit input. So how we are going to make it as an input? So let's write here number is equal to input. So user will enter, like user means we are going to enter 3-digit number here. Okay, 3-digit number. So this 3-digit number having different types of indexes. So what does it mean? Indexes means the each and every place value of a digit. Okay, like let's say it the digits from the input field starts from the zero. The place value starts from the zero. We can say it as indexes. So how we are going to write it? So num. So let's say first digit. How to retrieve the first digit? First digit. Okay, first digit is equal to number, like we need to put some square brackets over here and we need to make it as integer. So how we are going to make the string to integer? Now let's say this is a string. Okay, this is a string. So now initially it will be looking as string because we are only giving the input, not with the integer specifically casting. So we are not casting any type of data type here. Just we are giving simply input. That means it will whatever the input we will give, it will consider as a string. So we need to convert initially in the string. We need to convert integer. We need to convert to integer of the first digit in the number variable. So there are 3 digits as of now. Let's say 1, 2, 3. Okay, these are the digits. Now we need to retrieve this first digit as an integer. Okay, as an integer, not as a string. If we take as a string, it won't add. So we need to convert it into the integer. So how we are gonna do it? So in this integer space, we need to write. So let me remove this. So now let's say num is a variable which is storing the 3-digit number. Okay, which is storing the three digit number. Now uh, in this num there is a first value called 1. So let me retrieve the 1 first. Okay, this 1 is retrieved. So but this is in the format of string right now. Okay, now we need to convert it to integer. How we need to convert it into integer? So let's make it as integer, int, and put a columns here over here. Then this number which is entered in the input field, the first digit, the index 0 means it will retrieve the first digit. Okay, the variable number will retrieve the first digit whichever in the input field. So now next we need to retrieve the second digit, that too in the form of integer, not in the form of string. Initially it is a string, right? So int num, the index will be, what will be the index? Index will be 1. Okay, so 1 means it will retrieve the second one. Okay, the second digit in the string, and it will convert directly into integer and the addition will goes on. So how we are gonna add it, we will see. Third digit, let me retrieve the third digit here. Int num and sorry 2. Okay, this will retrieve the third digit. Okay, because in the input the index starts from 0 to infinity. So how we are gonna do it? Print. So we need to add it, what we need to add? We need to add first digit, second digit, and third digit. Let me add it. First digit plus second digit plus third digit. Now first, initially after running the program, we need to give an input. and then result will be appeared here. Okay. Sorry, there is an issue here. Let me check it. So I didn't give in here. Plus, now we'll run this program. So now it will ask you to enter the input first initially. Okay. So we need to enter here 3-digit number. Let's say 1, 2, and 3. I'll enter and I'll hit enter. So here is the solution for uh, the input whichever we given, because we are asking the program to add the digits inside the input value, and we are going to convert it into the string to integer. So this is the part of sum of digits in the Python.